Hey, if you want to turn your KitchenAid Stand Mixer into a produce, cheese, and meat processing machine, come with me. I'm going to show you everything you need to know in this kit. Quick overview of everything you get. This is your meat grinding attachment. This is going to be your cheese and your produce processing attachment. They give you 4 different blades that you can stick inside of this. I'll show you that. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different attachments that's going to give you different outputs of the meat. Here is your cheese and produce attachment. These blades will just drop straight in like this. You take this end, you're going to go right in here in your stand mixer, loosen your set screw up. This just slides in. Then you're going to tighten the set screw down. So we're going to go nice and easy. We're just going to drop this in. Here we go. And we're going to go ahead and shred our cheese. Now I'm going to speed this up just a little bit. And look how easy this is to go ahead and shred all this cheese from a block. So we just took a little block of cheese there. Look at this. Perfectly shredded cheese every time. All right, so same thing. Go ahead and just line it up. It's going to pop right in there. It's going to sit right on top. That's like a little funnel, so you can go ahead and set the meat up there and drop it down in. I'm going to show you how this comes out. We've got some beef in there. And there you have it. Okay, and it's just going to go ahead and process it right out of the end. Now, I want to show you this filling tube. So the filling tube is going to go on here. This is going to allow you to make sausage. Now you can go ahead and you can place your bag. You can place, your sausage link liner. And there you have it. Look at that. Perfect for sausage links. So you can mix any kind of ground beef, pork, whatever you want in here. There's 1, 2. So if you have a KitchenAid stand mixer, you got to get these attachments in this kit. It's just going to make life easy, especially if you're cooking for a lot of people, or if you meal prep or you buy in bulk. This is going to be a lifesaver because you can buy all your meat, go ahead and process it, package it, store it away, and then you only have to do this every once in a while. It works very well. Now, the company did send this to me in exchange for my honest review. I was very happy with this. I think you will be too. So that is my quick review, and thanks for watching.